So this is an interesting question. It depends on why you think you need a deep cleaning. So if your dentist told you that you need a deep cleaning for periodontal disease, um, it's going to be important that you get that deep cleaning done in the dental office. The reason periodontal disease starts is because, for example, when you go to get your teeth cleaned and they scrape off the calculus, which is calcium deposits on your tooth, that will not come off with regular floss. The reason periodontal disease starts is because those deposits start to develop underneath the gum tissue, hence the word deep cleaning, because the hygienist has to go underneath the gum tissue to remove those deposits. The problem is if it doesn't get cleaned off, it just grows exponentially, and that leads to larger issues like loose teeth, missing teeth, things of that nature. So if you've been told by your dental professionals that you need a deep cleaning, I would highly advise you go to the dental office and have a trained person do your deep cleaning instead of doing it at home.